Everybody, mom and poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body. Let me see you 1, 2 step. Automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky fresh. My body's so melodic, this beat rolls right through my chest. Everybody, mom and poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body. 1, 2 step. One, work your body. One, work it. One, work
Y'all, I'm just sitting here playing in these lashes, and y'all, they're coming out so good. Let me show you. And these are from Dollar Tree, so only $1. So I'm kind of doing like some DIY lash extensions. That's how they're looking so far. I'm just dipping. They're already fanned out. It's looking like it's three clusters of lashes on each one. And I'm just lifting my eye up. First, I look in the mirror and I look down like this so I can see if it's any gaps. Then I just lift my eye up. I'm putting them underneath my natural lash. So I lift my eye up and then just place it kind of like right on my lash line. It's coming out so cute, especially for $1, you know. But I'm gonna add a little more. I really just, because I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only have 6 clusters left, so I'm gonna just add them. I'm just add them in. This is so cute. Such a quick, cheap way to get lash extensions at home. Then it gives me a break from the strips too. And yeah, kind of getting tired of wearing those strips. They're too much work. Once them ends start lifting, girl, I'll be over it. But yeah, I'm liking this. You just really got to make sure they dry. This glue dries. Okay, I had to go get my camera. I was on my laptop because I feel like you can see better if I'm on my camera. So this is how one eye is looking. I used the whole pack of the shorts, and these are the LA Color Dramatic Lash. This is the style number. That's the style number, and this is how you know, before and after. But this is how the eye is looking with the whole pack.
Over. Oh, we had to flip it over.
Yeah, y'all, so it's really easy to do. I opened these up thinking I was gonna need them, but I'm liking like the little natural look. I'm gonna just save these for the next time I do it. So I have, and I'm seeing one, depending on too. I know some people like them real thick too, and just really full and dramatic. So you might want to do 2 packs of each, but I'm just gonna do 1 pack of each on each eye. So this will be enough for another set. I think this is a multi-pack. Like some are short and then they gradually get longer. I think that's how these look. I didn't notice that. I just kind of mixed them. I mean, I did go row by row, but at the ends, I kind of just filled in wherever I wanted to fill them in at. But this is how the pack looks. So if they all look the same to you, then, you know, you take that as it is. If they look like they vary in lengths, then yeah. But I like it. I'm about to do my second eye, and then yeah, I'll come back when I'm finished. Nevertheless, I'm only doing 1 pack per eye, so I'll have enough to do 2 2 sets. So I'm about to do my right eye now. And yeah, I'll try to insert a clip of, here, I'll just show you now. I'll take my tweezers, I dip that base into some glue. Take my mirror, I lift my eye up. I start from the inside, and then I work my way out. So lift my eye up.
Everybody, Martin, Poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body. Let me see you 1, 2 step. Automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky fresh. My body's so melodic, this beat rolls right through my chest. Everybody, Martin, Poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body. 1, 2 step. One, work your body. 1, work it. 1, work your body. 1, work your body. 1, work it. 1, work your body. 1, work your body. 1, work it. 1, work your body.
Okay everybody, so this is the final look with the lashes, and I'm really digging this look. So inexpensive. Yeah, so I'm liking this. LA Colors, the individual fan lashes, and yeah, this is how they're looking. This is what they're hitting for. Check it out, try it out. I really think you guys will like this look. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys on my next one. Bye.
Everybody, Martin, Poppy came to